Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial video. So I'm going to show you how to add language translator to your website. So probably your website, many people that are visiting your website are not English speaking countries, and you want to add language translators for them to have option to change to their preferred language. Watch this video to the very end because I'm going to show you how to do that. So the first thing to do is just to come to your ChatGPT. We won't want to waste time in this video, so we're going to use ChatGPT. All you have to do is just ask ChatGPT how to add Google Translator to my website code. My website code. Make sure you use this same prompt as we use now. Like this, make sure you use this same prompt. All right, it's bringing out steps. It's bringing out steps. So it says here that you should copy this code here and add it to your website. Add it before the closing tab of, like, the closing body, before the closing tab of your body in your HTML code. So you copy, first of all, copy this place here. You come to this place here and you add it. Let's come over to this place here. Let's come back before the body, let's locate where the body is. All right, let's let me do this fast so don't waste time. All right, just scroll down to this place here where you have body. All right, this is body, so you add it here, but this one now is supposed to be add like head. Yeah, so it's supposed to be before the, okay, here you add it. Hold on, this one is supposed to be inside body, right? So you add it inside body, but add this one here. Add this one first. The way you add this, then you now come back, copy this one here, and you add it to your code, and before the closing tab of your body. All right, so you just copy it here, scroll down. Let's use this so you can do that fast. All right, just copy this one here. So this is before the closing, but let's add the comment first, so we'll know that this is actually where it is. Google translates. All right, so just add a comment for it. All right, we have added the comment, then we can now add the code. Here. So after adding this code now, so let's preview this to see what we have actually done. Open with live server. Just hold on, let's see what we did. All right, the live server is opening. Okay, this is it here. So let's wait for it to load. Just give it a few minutes for it to load. All right, it's still loading. Remember, this stuff works with network. When you, anything that you add that has to do with JavaScript, most times you use network, but although not all of them, sure, but just hold on. All right, where is our code? Where is it? All right, as you can see here, this is where it is. If you want to change, let's change it to English, because it like automatically is in a different language. So let's choose English. Let's choose English. Right, this is English here. As you can see, it has translated to English. But we're not going to leave this stuff here at the top. It's not really making sense. I don't know but if you like it like this, fine, but I like it being at the lower part, so it will not be obstructing what we are supposed to have here. All right, so let's do something. Let's come to this place here. It says here, this is like this step 2, it gave you a styling for it. Like, gave you a styling that you're supposed to add to your code. So you just copy this styling here, copy the style, then come back to your code. All right, either you add it in your inline code, like inside your HTML, right, or you add it in your CSS file. But let's add it here. Let's just add it inside the CSS file, right? So you just paste it. Make sure you always give comments for everything that I adding, so you know where you place this one and where you place this one. Let's add comment for it. Google translate style. Okay, let's, so that we'll know that is the css. Let's just put it css, so know that this is the css. All right, so you add it as a comment. Okay, so you add it as a comment here before placing that style that you copied. So this is it. Then let's go back to our code here. Let's see if it has changed actually. All right, so let's open it. It's opening. Let me close this one now. All right, so wait for it to load. All right, all right, as you can see, this is where the thing is now, and it's looking fine. It's looking fine, like it's just floating. It's looking perfect, looking perfect, instead of obstructing, like it kind of destructed this header here. So everything is now looking fine. If you want to change it now, you can now change it to something better. All right, so let's change it here. Let's choose another language, right? So let's wait for it to translate. As you can see here, it's translating. Everything is now in this language. Let's translate back to English. you you. All right, so this is it. So I believe this is the this was very very interesting, and if you try it, I'm sure it's going to work. If it worked for you, come back to this video and leave a comment. If it didn't work, still leave a comment, so we'll follow it up and know how to rectify it together. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe.